What's going on? It's your boy Insane GNYC. I'm making this video because I get asked a lot, what RC car can I buy for $100? And my answer is this. What you see in front of you is an Arrma Granite, which is exactly $100. I left 3 links in the description below so you could buy one. The car comes in 3 different colors, hence why I put 3 links in the description below. I wasn't sure what color you wanted. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do plan on purchasing this RC car, please use my link so I make my 4% commission. So let's dive into the specs of this thing. It does 25 miles an hour. It's waterproof. It's built to take a beating. You can drive on the street, grass, dirt, mud. You could jump it. You could just have a blast with this. This thing's a basher. You could use and abuse this thing and it'll just come back for more. If you do so happen to break something, the beauty about this is it is a hobby grade RC car. Difference between a hobby grade and a toy grade is that with a hobby grade, you could actually buy spare parts for it. So if you break something, you can replace it or you could upgrade it. Now, let's see. It comes with everything you could possibly want out the box. It comes with the car, the remote, the battery, the charger. The only downfall that I have with this RC car is that the stock batteries that it comes with only has a runtime of 5 to 9 minutes. So your first thing that you're probably going to want to do is upgrade the batteries, and that's it. That's all I have to say. Do enjoy your RC car. You'll thank me for buying it. A little bit backstory about Arrma. Arrma is owned by Horizon Hobby that also owns a bunch of other RC manufacturers. So it's a solid RC car. It was designed right. It was built right. And most importantly, this thing will last you many, many years to come because essentially if you break it, you could fix it. You can't say the same for a random Chinese-made RC car that you find on Amazon because good luck finding a spare part. Just imagine you break a control arm on this with a Chinese RC car. You're not going to be able to buy a spare part for it. You're going to have to throw in the dumpster and buy a completely new one. Whereas with this, if you break a bulkhead or a control arm or a spring or whatever, go on the Arrma website and you could buy spare parts for it. Or better yet, you could upgrade it. I've actually seen people upgrade this completely, put a completely bigger, like completely different like motor and ESC system in it. And I've seen these things hit 60 plus miles an hour. So for $100, you're getting a lot. And the potential for this is endless. So yeah, that's my answer to you guys. If you're looking for an RC car for $100, look no further. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also, most importantly, use my Amazon affiliated link so I can continue doing what I do. And I thank you in advance again. Thank you.